Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Slayer.
Oh, I'm horrible on all these big team maps. I'll try.
Yeah, this map.
Who wants to ride? Oh fuck, sorry. Oh shit.
I distracted the tank for a minute with my ghost.
Tank just went running. Tank down. It's good.
Oi!
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Oh, right there. Nice, nice. Oh,
Damn, this thing
no.
sucks.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh,
Ah!
sorry.
Oh, that was bullshit. I was gonna say my gun totally went off. And if I killed him with my shotgun first, how was he able to shoot me? Riddle me that.
The game lags a lot.
Oh.
It's like you'll get a bull true but die anyway, so it's like a bullshit.
I like that.
It's like a little lag, I guess.
Wow.
This was a Halo 3 map, right? It's like a version of it, yeah.
It is. Yeah, that it is.
Rude burrito. He doesn't care.
Y'all been playing Halo since the good old days?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Halo 3, Halo 2 era.
Three.
Yeah, on the OG Xbox. Well, yeah, pretty much.
I never had an original Xbox, but like I played on my friends. Like I played Halo 2 on the 360. It was compatible.
I played all the Halos, even Combat Evolved and all that. I did not like Halo ODST game. That I don't know. That could have used the work.
Yeah. Halo
I
Reach
kind
was
of them on
awesome.
my essay though.
Shit, they're coming with the tank. I'm getting covered. That's probably best if you take cover if you don't have any vehicle.
I got sniped and lost the answer. There's like hardly anybody on here anymore, at least to like talks or anything.
I'm just taking headshots.
Oh, we're getting wrecked.
See that?
Yeah, I can't fucking.
I noticed that.
I got 1
hate this
kill and
fucking
8
map.
deaths. I'm doing the
This
worst
map
out of
is-
everybody.
Crazy. What? Are you kidding me?
They're surrounding me, motherfucker. You go left. It's like a labyrinth. I'm like literally tiptoeing my Jordans backwards through this goddamn
I'm
labyrinth.
streaming right now, doing YouTube right now, recording this. It's, I think, you know.
Okay, that way, abort.
I really suck with the shot.
Shit.
No, no, no.
Yes, I got a double kill.
Double kill. Wow.
Yeah, like back to back. Double kill. Like it was too slow for anything else. It was too slow for the triple, you know what I mean? But it was a double kill. Blew up the Warthog.
Oh my god, no. There's an asshole sniping right across from my ex. There's a temple over there.
Yeah, I saw you. I saw that. I see him.
There's
Also
no way
some
we can
rockets
ever
on my
come
ex
back.
if you want it.
And I just took out the sniper from you.
Oh shit. Charlie's in the trees.
This guy's trying to just run me over. You ain't gonna get it. You ain't gonna get that.
We have death from above, guys.
Why won't you die?
I just take a shotgun to the head. Wow, we're about to look. Oh, we are doing really bad. I don't think the points are registering. One time I played a game and the points didn't register.
Oh my
Damn you,
God.
fucker.
I'm trying to get somebody in the Warthog with me. As soon as they hop in, we both get obliterated. Sorry. Oh my God, what the hell was that? Some laser just hit me and made my Warthog do backflips, but I lived through it.
Unbelievable.
You can totally blame me.
I just had triple rockets and I was just waiting for
awful,
my
man.
rockets to load and then
How was that
Lens
guy
killed me.
actually humping my face at the end? It wasn't even a tea bag. He was literally humping my face. How the fuck do you do that?
Oh, nuts all over your
Kinda-
face. Goddamn.
What kind of glitch was that? Hell no, you can't do that.
No.
Guy was humping my face at the end. I swear to God, I've never seen that in my life.